Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we discuss about the extern keyword that we can use for declarations for global variables in other files. So let me clarify this sentence for you by using an example. For example, here I have the main function, and in the main function I have this variable a, and I want to print the value of a. As you can see, I'm trying to print the value of a. Usually now if I run the program, I would usually get a garbage value or a 0 depending on the compiler. It may give me a 0 or a garbage value for the value of a because I have not initialized this value. Now what I can do is that I can tell the compiler that the declaration for this a is available in a different file by using the extern keyword. Now that I have used the extern keyword, I'm telling the compiler that I have declared and initialized this variable a somewhere else in this program, later in here at the end of the program, or in another file. And now if I run this program, you can see that we've got the value of 10. Where did this value of 10 comes from? It comes from this external file where I have defined this variable a. And this value of 10 comes from this external file. And this extern keyword tells the compiler to look for the value of a in a different file rather than the scope of this block in here. Now it's very important that you make sure that your external file and your main file are basically both under the same project, so that the linker for C compiler knows where to find that file. If these two files are not under the same project, then the C compiler or the C linker does not know where to look for this integer a. Suppose that we have deleted this external file. Let's go and delete it. Remove this file. And now we don't have the definition of a in some other file. Let's go and run this program. And as you can see, we've got an error because we do not have the definition of a already defined in any other program. But by using the extern, basically what we can do is that we can also define the definition of this a here at the end of the program as well. Integer a is equal to 10, and now we would expect that we would get an error because we have already used an a, and then after using the a we have defined and initialized it. But no, using the extern keyword, we can tell the compiler to look into other file or in this file later in the program. Now if I run this program, now you can see we've got the value of 10 once again. And that's it for this episode. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to see you in the coming episodes. Stay tuned.